Finally, we're going to be changing something back to stock in the car. And that something is the rear lights, which I know a few people don't like. Personally, I think they're kind of cool, but also I'm kind of bored of them now. I want to go back to the standard red ones. Before we do anything else, we need to go get some shopping done, so go do that and then I'll meet you back when we're ready to do the car. Shopping acquired, and we've got a nice wee steak pie in here for lunch, which is going to be delicious. And with a Red Bull in hand, sadly we don't have any Monster, we are now out the door and heading to Mum and Dad's. If there's no damage, I will be very surprised. There was the loudest bang ever, like a stone threw up here. Nah, it's not that. Don't know, car's too dirty to see. Oh, it might be that. That's new. Big chip out of the paint. Everything back there's just dirt. Even though I've got these ugly looking things, don't seem to be working. So that's fun, another stone chip. Keys in hand. Let's move one car out of the way to get mine through the back. That right there is one of the reasons that we're changing the lights. I think it was my doing, but I could probably fix it. I think it's just the bulbs needs replaced, but I'd rather just change the lights. So that is what we're doing. The lights do look pretty good, and I do like it when the running lights are on and it's all red around here. I think it looks pretty smart, but I think it's time to change it back to the other ones. We'll put half on, see how it looks. Probably first what I will do is record one side for TikTok. So if you want to see that video, you can go over there on my TikTok and you'll see it. And then I will do an in-depth video for on here on that side, or vice versa. We have got the red ones out, and let's have a quick little looky. So obviously they're just the normal ones. Well, actually, I've kind of been wondering if they're the shadow line ones, but I don't think they are. I think they're just normal ones. People in the comments can let me know. But there's kind of a comparison between the two, obviously without the plastic on it. It'll kind of blend in a bit more, but I think it's cool. I think it's nice just to have the normal red lights on there. It suits car more, so yeah, we'll go for it. We've got one side done, and actually I'm quite chuffed with it. I think it's looking pretty good. I think it's the better look. I'll show you. So here you go, got it on there. I'm gonna close this. There you go, back to the red. I think this is the shadow line ones. I mean, definitely tell me down below if I'm wrong, but it's just that slightly darker tinge to it. I'm not sure, I think it is. I like it, whatever it is. I mean, obviously this still looks good, but I don't know, I think the red just looks better. Matt, come and say hi. So yeah, now it's time to get the other side on, so let's do that. I'll do a time lapse, and if I've got anything to say, I'll come back and I'll say it. But yeah, let's get on with it. Just before throwing this light back in, I will quickly go over how it is done. You can see right here, this is like a little locator pin just there. This basically pops in, that's what holds the light in, along with, let me just make sure that's stable, along with the two bolts over here, obviously connector in, and that is it. It's super simple. And there's just that little cover that goes over it, like this guy. But yeah, that is all that goes into the outside lights. These inner ones, they're a little bit more tricky. I mean, it's still just one bolt and a connector, but you kind of have to slide it in and then kind of knock it in place. But I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, let's get that in and get onto this one. And there we have it, the lights are on, this one up here too. So I'm just gonna go over this one slightly. So on this edge, it kind of slides in under here and kind of clips in, and then this part here, if it focuses, there you go, this bolt, that kind of clips on underneath here and kind of squishes it down to the inside of the tailgate. So that's basically how it goes on. It's dead simple, it's more annoying than these ones, which is just push in and it's job done. But yeah, as you can see, it is dark now. I've got the light on my phone, which is a bit blinding, but here we are. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just need to put in the kind of the liner here, and that's it, and then I'll be done. So I'm probably going to do that tomorrow when it's a bit light, because it's simple to do. So I don't think you really need to see that. I mean, it's yeah, it is straightforward. It just kind of pushes in, and then you've got like these little side bits here, these little side bits that go on, and then you just kind of screw it in. It's a little safety triangle. Not too sure, I've never looked at it, but I think it's for when you break down, you can put that at the side of the road, but I have no idea. But yeah, so just need to put that back in, and then all the little screws, which are an absolute nightmare. But yeah, just need to do that. I'll probably do it when it's daylight. I think this looks good just now. Let's close it and just make sure it all works, because I haven't actually tried it yet. So yeah, there we go. Back to normal and looking good. Kind of sleek, streamline. I like it. I mean, it just blends in with the red so well. Can't go wrong, really. And also gets off the error that was on my dash, which was really annoying. I think it was just a dud bulb, but I could never be bothered looking into it. Yeah, I definitely think these are the shadow line lights, just because they are so dark around the edges. It definitely looks like what the ones I had on my M4 were like, not the ones that, I mean, if you go back on this channel, you'll see a video that I did on the M4. Just came in the car to get out of that wind slightly. Yeah, so if you go back on the channel, I think it's the first video I actually uploaded on this channel, and it's of my M4, and I was putting on those GTS style lights. They've got that kind of shadow line sort of look to them as well. I have actually considered putting them on here, but after just over a year, that was the reverse light as well, that actually went out, so that's why I got rid of them, and then put the shadow line lights on that, which, that's what I'm saying, they look very similar to this. So anyway, I'm happy with it. I think they look good. Probably gonna wrap this video up here. If there's anything else, I'll slap it in now, but if not, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one, and yeah, drop me a comment if you liked it or stuff. See you in the next one.